Welcome, fellow adventurers, to the mesmerizing Galapagos Islands. Join me on a virtual journey to one of the most breathtaking destinations on Earth. In this video, we will explore the awe-inspiring beauty and educational wonders of these remarkable islands. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on an unforgettable tour. Scene 1. Aerial views of the Galapagos Islands. Show stunning aerial footage of the Galapagos Islands, highlighting their diverse landscapes, turquoise waters, and volcanic formations. One. Emphasize the isolated and pristine nature of the islands, showcasing their remoteness and unique ecological significance. Narration. Behold the Galapagos Islands, a true paradise on Earth. These remote and isolated islands have captivated the hearts of nature enthusiasts for centuries. Let's delve into their natural wonders and unravel the secrets they hold. Scene 2. Extraordinary wildlife encounters. One. Showcase captivating close-up shots of the Galapagos giant tortoises, marine iguanas, blue-footed boobies, and Darwin's finches, highlighting their remarkable features. 2. Include footage of these unique creatures in their natural habitats, such as tortoises roaming freely, marine iguanas basking in the sun, and blue-footed boobies engaging in their famous mating dance. Narration. Prepare to witness an abundance of extraordinary wildlife found nowhere else on our planet. Meet the Galapagos giant tortoises, the gentle giants of the islands. Observe the fascinating marine iguanas as they swim effortlessly through the crystal-clear waters. And marvel at the vibrant blue-footed boobies, showcasing their captivating courtship rituals. These remarkable creatures will leave you in awe. Scene 3. Immersive educational experiences. 1. Showcase guided hikes through lush landscapes, accompanied by expert naturalist guides. 2. Include snippets of educational activities, such as interactive presentations at research centers or visits to interpretation sites. 3. Highlight the importance of conservation efforts and the delicate balance of the Galapagos ecosystems. Narration. Beyond its natural beauty, the Galapagos Islands offer a wealth of educational experiences. Embark on guided hikes through breathtaking landscapes, accompanied by knowledgeable naturalist guides. Engage in interactive presentations at research centers, deepening your understanding of the island's remarkable biodiversity and the ongoing conservation efforts. It's a chance to witness firsthand the intricate web of life and the importance of protecting our natural heritage. Scene 4, captivating sunsets and tranquil beaches. One. Showcase mesmerizing footage of vibrant sunsets over the Galapagos Islands. Two. Feature tranquil beaches with pristine white sands and crystal clear waters, inviting viewers to imagine themselves in this idyllic setting. Narration. As the day draws to a close, prepare to be mesmerized by the enchanting sunsets that paint the sky in breathtaking hues. Take a moment to unwind on the tranquil beaches, where time seems to stand still. Let the soothing sounds of waves and the gentle touch of sand transport you to a realm of serenity. Conclusion. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour of the Galapagos Islands, where nature's wonders and educational discoveries intertwine. Remember, these islands are not just a destination, they are a testament to the intricate beauty of our planet. Let us cherish and protect these remarkable ecosystems for generations to come. Until our paths cross again, keep exploring and appreciating the nature.